Hey YouTube, I want to talk a little bit about this thing, the FoodCycler. I paid $299 American through Amazon in January of 2019, and today is October 18, 2019. I've used this unit many times, as can be evidenced. Yeah, that does help by the grinding off of the paint inside. It's got a pail. This is the business pail here. You lift it right out and see those 3 screws? They fit right into that groove. You can't get it in the wrong way. So watch. There it is. It's in. This is the exhaust port. All the fumes go through some charcoal activated filters, and so their claim that it's odorless is pretty much true. So I want to say something about the filters in a little bit, but it also says do not fill above this line. Well, I have filled up to this line with no problems, and I have done that so many times. That's what I do now. I might start a load down here and then just unlock the lid, which stops the unit, and then add to it if it's not too far into the cycle. No problem doing that. So the lid, once the lid is on, it has to be locked or it won't work. A word about change filters. So being the rule bucker that I am, when that light came on, I thought, oh my God, I got to buy filters. How much are they? They're $30 each. No. No. $15 each. I think it was $29.95 for 2. That's right. So I was like, $30. I'll just see what happens. And I kept running it. And that light comes on routinely. I have never changed the filters. And I'll bet you I've run 40 loads, maybe 50. I don't know. I have a lot of fruit, and that winds up in the FoodCycler. So who knows? Here's something that you guys would probably be able to figure out. You press this button once, and that's not going to be on when you first purchase the unit, so ignore that. But you can kind of hear it, right? So I thought the unit was on, and I go, wow, it's really quiet. But nothing was ever happening. Like, I let it go all night, nothing happened. You have to hit it twice. Then you hear things. The drying light comes on, and eventually the grinding light. And we'll see what happens. I'll be the guinea pig. I'll be the scout. I'll take one for the team, but it doesn't smell bad at all. I'm going to turn this off because it's empty right now. Oh, and to turn it off, you depress the power button for, that many seconds, and it goes off. I wanted to know how to clean the pail. I had never cleaned it, and I was running copious amounts of, bad parts of pears and apples and apple cores and all the other stuff. But I put it in hot water in the sink. I immersed it, and it washed off completely, like fast, like just with my fingernails. I thought it was caked on. It was going to be like concrete. I'll never get that off. But it just cleaned off in a jiff. So I decided to take the green side of a sponge, and some hot water, and go around the lip here, the shoulder, and down here as well. And then I cleaned it with a rag, and that cleaned up easily. So put that back. There it is. Put this on. Yeah, get one today. The reason I'm doing this video is because I did a search for how to clean a FoodCycler, and I found this 17-minute video, and the young lady was wonderful, but she went into a lot of detail. I just like to make fast videos because I don't know about you. If I see 8 minutes on a video, that's too long. If you have any questions, post them in the comments. Oh yeah, no, I got to tell you, what this produces is this really dry, ground up compost that you add. I think the ratio is 10% to yeah, to your soil and just mix it up really well. And you have all the nutrients in there that plants are going to love. The other thing is, I will run really juicy fruit in it with all that water, and it might take a couple cycles. So it'll turn off, I go over, I pop the lid, and I go, nope, it's still moist. Well, just hit the power button 2 more times, run it through again until it is absolutely completely dry, and then dump it in a 5-gallon bucket. It's probably, I don't even have 2 5-gallon buckets filled with this machine has rendered since January, and I use it a lot. So you're going to fill up that pail. You know, if you're a rule bucker like I am, go rule buckers. Rule buckers unite. And you fill it to the very top. I'm telling you, you're not going to have very much in the bottom. When it's done and completely dry, if there's like 2 inches of material in the bottom, you know, that's kind of like standard 2 inches, but it's never like 4 inches deep. Never. You can't put enough stuff in here to get 4 inches of depth in the finished product. Okay, 6.5 minutes. Out. Buck rules.